guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve steam_api.dll is missing error. So for example, while installing some application or while playing some game, you encounter this error that the program can't start because steam_api.dll is missing from your computer. How you can solve it, I'm going to show you. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for the same DLL file, which is steam_api.dll. Search for this file, and most probably the first link here will come from www.dll_file.com. So, and the title of this search is steam_api.dll free download. Just click this link, and in here there are some options to download this DLL file, but we are going to choose the most basic one, which is manual fix. So just go to this option, third option, and just download zip file. So in here there will be some options, for example 32-bit system or 64-bit system. So depending upon the system type you have, you may install this or you may download this DLL file, but right now I can see only 32-bit, so just we need to download 32-bit here from here, and I'll click OK, and the download will be in the form of zip file. Just open this zip file from here, and this contains this steam_api.dll file. Just drag and drop into your desktop or wherever you want, and just right click and cut this DLL file and go to your computer or PC, go to C or local disk, C local disk, and in C folder go to Windows, and in Windows search for system32. So this is system32, and in this system32 folder, in C/Windows/system32 folder, you need to paste this DLL file, which is steam_api.dll file. So you will see this kind of message. You just need to click continue, and this file will be pasted there. Okay. If you are playing, or if this error is coming while playing some game or something, you can just copy this DLL file and paste it wherever your installation files of your game is. So in the same folder, in the installation folder of your game, you just need to copy this DLL file and paste it there, and you will be good to go. If you still have some problem while playing your game or installing some application, you will see the same problem. You most probably need also to paste this in, once again, in local disk C folder, Windows folder, and this time search for sys_w64, and in here also there are some DLL files, and you just need to paste it here also, this steam_api.dll file, and hopefully this error will be gone from your computer. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye.